English speaking grammatically.
Runs ki fast add in. Add plus verb, that is you add plus verb. Now I am going to tell you adjective plus noun. Adjective plus noun. In the O letter. An obedient child. Say. By saying, write it down. An obedient child. An obedient child.
An obedient child.
An obedient dog.
An obedient dog.
An obliging person.
An obliging person.
An obliging person.
An obliging person.
An obstinate character. Obstinate గట్టిగా అన్నమాట. Obstinate character.
An obstinate character.
Obstinate OBSTINAT. Obstinate character. Obstinate character.
Obstinate character.
An obstinate god.
An obstinate god.
An obstinate goal.
An obstinate goal.
An obstinate girl. దాగాలి అక్కడ. An obstinate ఎందుకు ఓ సౌండ్ వచ్చింది. An obstinate goal.
An obstinate goal.
An obvious bloody stain. An obvious సరే రైట్ మాట సరిగ్గా చెప్పు. An obvious నువ్వే సరే. An obvious blood stain.
An obvious stain.
The obvious way.
An obvious.
The obvious way.
An obvious way.
The obvious way.
An obvious way.
The obvious way to do it.
Obvious way.
Say it aloud. Occasional showers.
Occasional showers.
Occasional showers.
Occasional
Occasional
showers.
showers.
Occasional showers.
An occasional visitor.
An occasional visitor.
An occasional visitor.
An occasional visitor.
An odd feeling.
An odd feeling.
An odd feeling.
An odd feeling.
An odd idea.
An odd idea.
An odd idea. ODD. An odd idea.
An odd idea.
Say aloud. Some of them are not saying. An old number.
An odd 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 remark.
An odd remark.
An odd type.
An
Odd type ODD. An odd type.
odd
An
type.
offending remark.
An offending remark.
An offending remark.
An offending
Write
remark.
neatly. An offending remark.
An offending
Put
remark.
pad and write it neatly. An offending remark.
An offending remark.
An offending remark.
An offending remark.